My scalloped potatoes with ham is so creamy and easy to make. Thinly slice your potatoes on a mandolin. Melt butter in a large saucepan. Add flour and whisk until a thick paste forms. Very slowly pour in the milk, and then the heavy cream, whisking until it's thick and creamy. Add in shredded cheese, salt, and pepper. Place half the sliced potatoes, half of the onions, and half of your ham into the baking dish. Cover with the cheese sauce. Add the remaining potatoes, onions, salt, pepper, and cheese sauce. Cover with foil and bake for 1 hour. After 1 hour, add a layer of cheese on top and bake uncovered for an additional 20 minutes. You can find more easy ham recipes on our website.